Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Windows 11 system requirements before upgrading, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Windows 11 system requirements before upgrading, begin by checking your current operating. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System. Next, scroll down and click on About. Here, you will find basic information about your device. Make a note of your processor type, installed RAM, and system type. Now, let's check the processor requirements. Windows 11 requires a compatible 64-bit processor with at least 1 GHz speed and 2 or more cores. To verify this, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the section labeled Processors. Check the list of processors to ensure they meet the required specifications. Next, let's confirm your RAM. Windows 11 requires a minimum of 4 GB of RAM. You can find this information in the About section you accessed earlier. Now, let's verify your storage. Windows 11 needs at least 64 GB of available storage. Open File Explorer and check your C drive to see how much space is available. Now, we will check the TPM version. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type in tpm.msc and press Enter. The TPM management window will open. Ensure that Trusted Platform Module version 2.0 is present on your device. Next, we need to check the DirectX version. Press Windows key plus R again, type DexDiag, and hit Enter. In the DirectX diagnostic tool, look for DirectX version under the System tab. Ensure it is DirectX 12 or higher. Now, let's validate your graphics card. Windows 11 requires a graphics card compatible with DirectX 12. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.